We are getting started on, what is this? Paper chasers.
Big time, no man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Big time.
Drop your hand. So when you drop your hands, you don't have to pick them back up until you punch again. Okay. So it'll make it, yeah, boom. Punch it to 2, slip it again.
Was that a
yeah, slip. No, so slip. So you got 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. I mean 1, 2, slip 2.
2.
Slip.
Ready?
1, 2, slip. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and go 1, 2, slip. 1, boom.
Oh, that look real.
Boom. You gotta take a step though, because if not, you're gonna be in the same place. She's gonna punch in your forehead. This one. So, ready? Boom. Boom. Bam, bam. Oh shit. How do I get to her? Why do you hurt me? Hit her. One, and then 2 over the face. We're gonna go straight face. So, bam, bam. Okay. Then go back. No, it's out on the beach. He's out on the beach.
This is John. He'll be playing the main bad guy for the film.
You get the punch. Okay, but then I gotta come back and like whip something.
I thought that was loose. He's like, oh no, I've been waiting on this. I've been working on this all my life. Working MMA fighters. I've been boxing. We're ready for this. Hey, Van Diesel, what's his real name? That's Van Diesel? That's his real name? That's not his real name. His name might be Van Diesel. The Rock. Who else? Everybody from the Matrix. I want y'all that. Yeah. Now we go all the way
either like handheld or like moving tracking type shot.
I do. I was actually just about to say I do think it's recruited, but it's like I had to get my crew, song start. So this is where we're meeting everybody. I'm like swinging my arm to stretch.
And then like I'll follow you on things where it consists of a lot of movement.
Like go down.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you in, bro. We want to start down, start.
I'm dead.
I wouldn't have her like put the gun, maybe not like directly into the camera, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. I mean, it's completely up to y'all. So y'all come in, and then this is gonna be you and
me and Jenna.
You and Jenna. So one person posts up here, okay, and you know, kind of like a, like, you know, like and y'all looking at it, and then you sitting there like, you know what's up, and then do a shot from this angle, and then when they come in, I'm gonna do a shot from that angle.
I was thinking be right. I was going to turn the table around.
Oh, for real? So that's how it is? Come in. So y'all come in again.
Ready? Alright you guys, we are shooting our next scene. I probably shouldn't have this out here. We're shooting our next scene at the Black Store. They're letting us shoot here. They're Houston-based, black-owned beauty supply shop and nail salon, so we're super excited. Let's go on in. And so yes, they're blessing us with a beautiful space. We're robbing their store, using the nail salon, everything. Definitely guys, come check it out. If you're looking for, I mean, if you're going to beauty supply anyways, you should come here. So. Cut.
Ameer, what's up? How's it going?
Pretty good, pretty good.
How's that vegan life?
It's going good, it's going good, it's going strong.
Bring it back. Yeah, right there. One more time. Hey.
Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Gotta shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of
Yeah. I think we gotta do one more on this side. I'm trying to make it like a little bit more close. On this side, like maybe over my shoulder if I can.
This is behind the scenes. How does it feel to get robbed?
To get robbed?
Yeah.
It's exhilarating, you know? Feels, that's a good experience, you know, good practice, you know what to do. You never like think to yourself like, what am I gonna do if I'm gonna get robbed? Let me just start practicing. You know, this is what you need to do, right? Keep training, you know. You never know what could happen.
You're right.
We just finished the beauty shop scene. Wow. This at the Black Beauty Supply store. The mom's tactical. I can give you my number and I'll do it.
Alright, Taurus.
Yes, sir.
Why are we here today?
We're here today because T-Rex is going to be on a photo shoot for Cass Productions.
Okay.
Right here, Cass Productions. Nice. Got a 1600cc BMW motorcycle engine. It's got a lot of torque. Very, very fast and quick, and a joy to ride.
Alex making our poker scene, since he's the only one here who knows how to play poker. In the Rocha event hall thing, Ash is reading. What's your book recommendation for us today?
How to be a stoic.
How to be a stoic.
How to be a better person.
How's it going, John?
Pretty great.
Wonderfully glad to be here.
Definitely.
Ready to get your ass beat? Ready to get beat up?
Who?
You.
Who?
You're gonna die.
Crazy? Yeah.
Sorry, spoiled it. We got our bar. That's where I'll be working. Hello, Cassidy. It's the other Cassidy guys. Ash is not. Hey, Jody, how are you? Ready for the poker game scene? Yes, about to whoop them in some poker. Alex teaching everyone how to play poker. Coming for you, John.
So it's them playing, basically.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
the last hand.
We folded.
Oh dang, you over here.
Or one of y'all can fold. Yeah, you can fold. It'll be like a mixture, you know, you don't have one.
Oh, so have that going on in the.
I'm gonna start off here. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna rotate. Since he gonna go first, so I'm gonna start off here and I'm gonna rotate. And then you gonna be playing. And I'm gonna keep going. You gonna hold it. You gonna hold it. Then you play.
That would be dope. You was moving my mind.
That's what makes it last.
But now I'm poker ready.
Now I'm gonna knee you, right? And then I'm gonna push it and put it to the side. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, you are right. Pull up. You right. You don't know why. Throw it that way. But when you do it, so when you do that though, when you do lean this way, so you actually don't want to throw it to the wall. Damn, that's perfect, just like that.
I opened it and then I was like, oh my god. I was like, why did she? I'm like trying to use the microphone.
I mean, actually.